Hello and welcome back to today's video on high altitude investing. My name is Dallin Anderson, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about Chainlink and how I think it can hit $10 in its next wave up. So make sure that you smash up that like button for me right now, as well as the subscribe button, because I'm making videos just like this one 5 days a week all through 2020. So you're going to want to stay tuned and updated along with the channel. That notification bell will make sure that that happens. Also, you can drop in the comments box below any questions, or even just let me know where you're tuning in from in this beautiful world, and I would love to see that as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into the analysis here. Chainlink versus the dollar is worth about $4.97. I did make a video about this coin December 10th of 2019 when it was around $2.18, and I was talking about the bullish potential of this coin. Since that video, it dipped one more little time onto this upward pointing support and broke out all the way up to $4. So we've seen a lot of strength in Chainlink. If you compare Chainlink to the rest of the market, you'll actually see that Chainlink is one of the strongest coins in the entire market, really, since we've seen this whole bullish movement happening from 2019. And I really like that about Chainlink, the fact that it's leading the market. It's taking a lot of market capitalization. It continues to pass other coins in market cap, and we have increasing volume. This indicator on the bottom here is also known as the historical volatility indicator. And the reason that I use this is because if you have low volatility and prices are rising, that means that you are early on in the rise. And if you have higher volatility and prices are rising, that might mean that you're going parabolic. You might be nearing the end of an increase, but this is pretty early to me. We also have some type of a triangle pattern that I have drawn here that we formed and broken out of, and we're very close to breaking above the previous all-time high, which is actually $4.47. So it's not that much further before we actually get above that. Once we're above that, we're in price discovery mode, which basically just means that there's no historical resistance and the market can increase quite significantly from there. And this up here, around right here, is the $10 price point. So you can see how it doesn't actually have to increase that much higher before it would reach $10. And when these cycles break out, when they reach new all-time highs, you can see this little cycle right here, it broke above the all-time high, and it just started to go very, very parabolic after that. And so when you break all-time highs, you go into price discovery mode like that. A lot of times that market will pick up very nicely and increase quite quickly. So that's kind of what I wouldn't be surprised if that happens with Chainlink. And it hasn't broken that price point yet, so especially if there's any dipping in this area, you can actually pick some up, because this is, this would be maybe a consolidation pattern, a little triangle or something, and that would be primed for a breakout. So it may provide a nice entry for you as well coming up soon. And so that's why Chainlink is on my radar. Also, the Elliott wave structure is pretty early on here. This is probably either the top of the one wave. It's probably is the top of the one wave, and this is a 3, 4, 5. Or this could, if you look really closely here, there's a little wave right here. You might count that as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're doing a fifth wave in the market. So there's a few ways to count it. Also, this was actually a cycle right here. So if you count from this early cycle on, we're actually probably, we already did the one wave. This is the start of the 3, so that would be the 1 of the 3. And we need to finish all the subwaves in the 3 wave. That would make the most sense, that this is a 1 of a 3. And we need to continue from there. So the Elliott wave count is showing, obviously, continuation as well. We haven't done a finalized cycle, and I wouldn't really be surprised at all if we see, like I said, a three wave, a three of a three, and even a fifth wave coming in that market. So that's why $10 isn't that crazy. Also, if we use our Fibonacci extension tool, which is this tool over here on the left-hand side, this trend-based extension, this allows you to look at different Fibonacci targets based on those Elliots. So this was, one in a two wave. And so this could easily could even extend to the 2618 or further than that $10 mark. But that $10 mark isn't where I expect the entire market to turn around. I'm not going to try to call the top or anything. That's just kind of like a checkpoint. You can think of it as a little place where we're watching for the market to go, and a place that you could skim a little bit of your profits, take a little bit off the market, and let the rest ride. And so that's kind of more the mentality that I have here. I'm definitely not saying that at the $10 point the market's just going to instantly go. It could, you never know, but that's really not the point of these videos and the point of the analysis. The point of the analysis is to give you guys an idea, a projection of checkpoints in the market, and as the market continues to develop price structure, we can then decide what, from a probability perspective, is going to happen from there. And that's kind of the name of the game, and that's what trading is all about. That's why it's so fun to do this. So if you guys are enjoying this video, again, make sure you hit that like button for me. Chainlink is definitely one that I'm watching closely, and I think that we could see a lot of continuation in this coin. It could easily make some consolidation patterns, even retest the support level. But you guys, overall, the trend is very strong in the bigger time frames. Right now, it's number 15. It was clear down here earlier, but it really wouldn't surprise me if this one gets in the top 10, to be honest with you. I really think that Link is a strong hold. So make sure that you guys check out the chart, do your own analysis. This is my perspective. This isn't financial advice. Disclaimers in the description. Also, you guys email me or message me on Discord if you're trying to join the VIP, because I'm probably going to close that off to the public, so the only people that either take a questionnaire or reach me directly and I approve will be able to get into the VIP, just because after a certain amount of people, I don't want it to get too crowded in there. And so what I'm doing is kind of closing it off. I'll accept more people, but I'm going to be a little bit more careful who I accept, a little bit more of a closed off thing there for the Discord and the VIP. So message me on Discord or email me if that's something that you have been thinking about or if you're interested in, and I can help you directly. Links for the Discord are in the description box below. That's free to join. Make sure that you do that. There are VIP areas with signals and stuff as well. That's all part of the VIP. So like I said, you'd have to message me for that, but there is some free channels for you guys as well. So again, thank you for tuning in today's video. I'm super grateful for all of the people that have been following me. About to pass 25,000 subscribers. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button for me. I'm really looking forward to reaching that personal goal, and then hopefully that 100K mark in the future as well, so I can get that YouTube play button. I think that would be pretty cool if we did that kind of as a team here. So again, hit that like button for me, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's update. Actually, tomorrow is a podcast. I'm really looking forward to that. As always, stay profitable out there.